I'm Tom Cenci, and these are the Sakai Kyuba knives. Start off with this, really lightweight, very sharp, can't complain, it cuts beautifully. You can really feel that it's like, it just glides through, as long as you don't have to have any pressure at all. It's incredible. It's really easy to use. It's hard to fault it, really. Incredible.
What color do you like the most?
Yeah, the green and the blue are really nice. They're all beautiful. It just really stands out. Most knives are like just plastic black handles, and they're just actually just something just so beautiful. You can see there's a lot of thought that's gone into it. Yeah, it's really nice. This one. It's just so easy to cut. Just no pressure is needed. Just get really good. And I think it's just like just gives you consistency. It's got a good weight to it. The weight distribution is nice. It's not too heavy. It just feels like kind of right in your hand. Yeah, really nice.
Yeah. What would you say to someone that's trying to buy a new knife? Like, what should they look out for?
It's difficult. You've got to have something that suits your style. Sometimes people buy maybe a knife that's too big for them. Actually, it's actually better to start with a smaller knife for certain jobs. Something like, you know, you don't need a massive knife to cut through vegetables, but then if you're doing a lot of meat or fish work, you need something with a longer blade. And so it's about kind of looking at that. It's something that potentially you want to be able to keep sharp, something that you know how to keep sharp is really important. And then also the weight of it. So many times the knives are really heavy, it's really light, and so it's just important. You're chopping all day long, you're holding something that's just, it's going to tire you out. So it's beautiful. It's crazy sharp, isn't it? It's just like so smooth to be able to just cut through. It's like effortless, isn't it? So many times you just get the knives and they just there's always friction, there's always like... It's so like... You see everything like...
Is it important to have like sharp knives as a chef? What would you say?
Yeah, it's really important. I think so many people are afraid of the sharp knife, and actually if you embrace it and you use the sharp knife... Sorry, did you see her? You don't have to put as much pressure on when you're cutting. If you have a blunt knife, you're really trying to push through, you're putting too much weight on, and that's actually when an accident happens, when you slip or you push through and you cut yourself and you stab yourself. If you use the knife in the right way, and you're using the weight of the knife because it's sharp, actually it's very rare that you would cut yourself with it.